We're recording.
So this is a very deep. Wait, how do I drive this? Wait, I got this plane, but I can't actually. How do I get in the plane? Go in the plane. Oh, you drive vehicle. Wait, so I can just. This looks very. This is a very futuristic plane. I feel like this is
Wow.
what it will look like with
It's
Teslas, except replace the giant bus with the Tesla.
and the wheels have like jet propulsion or something. Wow. That's amazing.
This is still going. It's falling.
It's falling?
I'm not gonna crash this.
Carl. Did you name? Oh, I won't ask questions.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What the? I think we were gonna say, like, did you make the, like, did you make that, did you make that thing, well, I didn't make that, it was just made by the game.
Got it.
Just don't ask questions, like, when there are zombies.
Yep. Oh, okay. Got it. Because you're busy when there's zombies.
Engines. Okay, then that means that there are zombies.
Okay.
Over there? Wait, what? Luckily there's, luckily there's a plane here. I'm gonna fly this plane. Wait, no. I don't want to crash this thing. No, I said I don't want to crash this thing. A vehicle condition means, wait. Okay, no. What's it doing?
Some of the zombies are in the truck bed.
What are they even doing? Why are the zombies here? Also, this is, I think actually part 5. Wait, that thing has, like, rocks inside. Oh. It's like pushing the plane. It's like pushing the plane back. What? That guy was just on the plane and then it got yeeted all the way to space. Okay, what are they even doing? What are they all doing? I think it's in another loop of zombie-erism. Or crane things.
Yeah.
There are still a giant pile of rocks in this military for some reason. So I think I need to get in the truck while it's falling. They're doing that same thing where they're like moving sideways every time they summon. What the?
Whoa.
They're going on. No. Verticalism. Drive this. I'm driving this. I'm taking this military truck.
Uh-huh.
And I'm gonna go somewhere with it. I don't know where. But they're all flying off of the mountains. Can't. Okay, this thing's stuck. Can I even get past this? I'm levitating. Can these guys even get past what this? There is a killover. Okay. And there's another structure-looking thing over there. Are those humans? Again? I don't know if those are humans. I'm just gonna get this. Oh wait. There's just a... Yeah. The telehandler over there. Okay, I'm gonna get in this killdozer and I'm gonna start smashing them.
Oh, that's the killdozer? I thought the killdozer. Okay.
What?
Killdozer. No, now I understand. That's a killdozer.
Well, what do you think the killdozer was?
I thought it was a different thing. I didn't realize it was the one that you were doing that where you flip the blade forward and back.
Go forward. This thing's way too heavy. It can't move forward. What are they even doing over there? Hey, can you pause the video?
Yep. Pause it. You can also pause it if you want by clicking here. Okay, recording.
So it looks like all the zombies are here, and so that was the kill those that I was in before. Get back in that kill those.
Which one do we paint? Do we paint the paper or do we paint our map? Which one? Can you point?
Get in this thing.
Right.
What are they even doing over there?
You like
Okay.
the paintbrush to paint the paint. Here you go. This is painting paper.
Okay. Also, what were you talking about? Like, what you were talking about, you couldn't get, like, you couldn't be sad while you're creating something or doing art.
Yeah, that's my theory. What do you think about that?
What if you're trying to, like, make creations or art, like, to not be sad? Then at least sometime, while you're doing that, you will still be sad until it cheers you up and then you're not sad anymore. But still, like, I feel like sometime when you just start, then you can still be sad.
True.
Gosh, what are they doing?
That's a good point.
They keep resetting, and I don't want them to, like, escape this. No.
Oh.
I need to contain them on this island and then defeat them.
Okay.
What the? I need to shoot them all. No, shoot that one.
Uh-oh.
Shoot that one. Shoot it. Shoot. There. Game doesn't. Whoa! What tree just fell?
Where did that tree come from? Did you shoot the tree?
I don't know. I think a zombie might have hit the tree. I don't really know. Shoot them. Shoot all of them.
The paper.
I shot like one of them and like it went through one. Grapple hook. Grapple hook.
Oh, whoa.
I don't know why I grapple hooked towards them.
Cause
Right there. Whoa. They're exploding. No. What the heck is happening? What are they? I'm levitating. I need to get to that military truck there. So I can like kind of run them. Engines are going on and off. What are they doing? So the engines are what reset the zombies.
Tip the paper. Yeah, you're doing great. Are you all done painting now? Or do you want a new paper? You want some new? Are you all done painting?
Setting spawns them. Oh, I need to crush them with this military truck.
Oh
no, wait. Well, what the? How come I use military trucks in every single one? Like that's like my that's my most used vehicle. What?
yeah.
What's he doing? He's just what? Smash it.
I think he wants to get run over.
What?
He like came right in front of your truck.
I think he's trying to destroy the cab. And completely forgot that, like, oh, this guy's just gonna run me over while I'm trying to destroy the cab. What the? Where did that guy come from?
Yeah, keep going.
What are they all doing? They're all flopping over. Run them over. What the? Stay there. No. They're all over there now. Wait, no. They all got reset. I need to remove that military truck in the front because that is basically what's blocking everything here. You're blocking me from running over the zombies. I need to drive this away. This thing's actually fast. Pause this or stop it, I guess. Stop the vehicle. And now I should be able to get any vehicle through this because I removed that. There's a telehandler over there, actually. Wait. No, he's gonna smash into it. No. He's gonna smash into the truck. What is he doing? No. They're all flying towards the other truck and destroying it. Wait.
Yeah, there we go.
Wait, no, they're all there? What? Okay, no, that's the crane. Go in the water. Wait, no, the truck won't drive anymore. The truck won't drive anymore. Wait, never mind, it will.
It will?
He's trying to get.
Oh.
It looks like he's trying to get in the back of the. He's in the back of the truck. Wait, I ran them over. Wait, is that a bush? No, that's definitely zombies. Okay. To get. What is that structure over there? Are those more humans? Run them all over. Run all of them over.
Yeah, that 360 degree flip.
Can you not smash into the truck all the time? You're gonna hurt yourself. This guy just looks like he wants to climb up into the back of the truck.
Yeah.
Go into the back of the truck. Then get yeeted into the water. No, that's not what you want to do. What are they even doing? There's a horde of zombies over here. They all went over there as well. There's zombies in the back of the truck. There are literally just zombies in the back of the truck. They're flying out. They're also tripping and falling on the back of the truck. They're falling from the sky as well.
I think you're all done.
What the? Shoot them. Shoot them. Shoot all of these. No. There's one without a head. Shoot them. Shoot all of them. Shoot them to death. One. What are they? No, shoot them. There. Wait, what? There's one over there. Shoot it. A tree fell over there.
Did you shoot?
Wait, there's a military truck over here?
Oh.
Wait, what? Wait, why did you say, uh-oh?
The tree fell.
What are they doing? They're trying to destroy the telehandler? No. Get smashed. Wait, what the? They're over here now? Why are they spawning over here? They wouldn't spawn over here. Back up. What are they doing? What the? What the? Smash all of them. It's not even doing anything. What the? The guy just
What?
backflipped onto the ground. Wait, what's he doing on there? I think they're destroying the truck. No, they're destroying the truck. Shoot them. Shoot them. What? No! Wait, what? Did I shoot myself? What the? I'm levitating over to another zombie. What? I need to get into this airplane over here. I don't think I can actually escape in this airplane. I don't think I can escape in this.
Oh.
Because I don't think I can actually get any other people in here.
Right. So you have to wait. So you need a boat?
Yes.
Okay. Is that always how?
I could escape, although there are people over there,
Right.
which I don't know if there are people, but at the end I think I need to investigate if there are people or not.
Right.
But
It
for
looks
now
like
I'm just using the airplane to just destroy these zombies. Hopefully the boat's gonna get here soon. And then I need to build a zombie survival truck. Well, what the? And like one or maybe 2 episodes before, I know how that went. It was basically impossible to navigate with the telehandler, and I need to just basically destroy everything to get to the humans, and then put them all on the boat, and then finally get out, leaving the zombies on the island where no one is. Whoa! Half of that guy just fell. Wait. What the? I'm using a little airplane to just destroy the zombies. Well, also, I said little and literal, because this isn't the normal size of an airplane, and also it is an actual airplane. Well, actually, it looks like a very futuristic bus plane. I don't think it's a regular airplane, but it still is an airplane. Oh gosh, what the? Okay, the only, wait, what? I can barely even get below, wait. Smash them all. There's a zombie just flying in the air. And he's gonna
where's that guy come from?
smash his head on the ground.
We're in the water.
They can't even reach the plane. So if I just fly up here, they just won't be able to reach the plane? That all I need to do is just fly, and they won't be able to reach the plane? Of course, I could just exit right now, but I need to save those guys. And even if they are not people, I'll probably still use the boat, since they'll probably be there. There is a zombie in that truck for some reason. Is he driving that truck? I think I need I think I need a different vehicle. The engine's just reset again. I need yeah, I don't know what I picked. This? That seems good. I don't know. It's a truck. I don't really know what do I do with this? Do I ram into them? Is the audio lowered, like from the game?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, there's no audio from the game.
Come on, move. Go forward. What the? Go on the bush. No, it's falling. The vehicle's falling. Wait, what? I need a different vehicle. The engines did the same thing again. Spawn. A4. Skull jaw. I'm gonna use a jaw. I'm gonna use this jaw.
That's a jaw.
The
Okay.
jaws are very small. Blow it up. I just obliterate. Whoa! They're all coming.
Whoa.
What the? What just happened? No! Shoot them. I think they just have green blood for some reason. No! What the? I shot half of it, but it's still alive.
I don't understand how those guys can keep walking when half their body's gone.
I definitely need a different vehicle other than literally a jaw. It's not even a vehicle. Okay, traffic. Okay, wait, what? A ballistic launcher? No! No! Destroy! No! The engine's reset again. No! Something. I don't know. The box truck. Box truck. No! What the? Box. Truck. Box truck. There. The box truck. Drive this into the zombie horde and destroy it. Wait. What are those? I think I need a different attachment. I think. Definitely, I need a different attachment. Attachment is the shred dozer. Shred all of the zombies. Every single zombie is going to be shredded. Oh no, it's gonna fall. E. Whoa! That's fast. That's very fast. It's fast drilling. Can you even go the other way? Somehow I can go the other way. Just smash the entire truck. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I think I shredded. I'm using the truck to destroy everything? Yeah, I just shattered an entire truck. What the heck was that? Okay, I need to get that thing out of the blade.
Oh.
I literally just destroyed the entire thing.
Stuck in there.
And now I need to blade up these zombies. They get stuck again. Well, I can still get these zombies. No, what the? I can still get these zombies. Come on. Wait, they all reset? Where are they? They're all the way over there? What? These guys come over here and can shred them. Or just shred their military truck. This thing has been annoying. Yep, now I just shredded it. And just shred the entire thing. There are pieces of zombie and military truck flying everywhere.
Mhm.
These guys are. I feel like these guys think they're safe on the back of a military truck from a shred dozer. For some reason, I mean, they don't even have brains.
Mhm.
Maybe they do, since that's the entire reason that they hunt. Whoa! I'm picking up the military truck and yeeting. What?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's happening?
It's like
What?
getting wound up in the.
What?
Oh,
What?
that's not. What's that spout of? Is that smoke coming out of there?
How did you not see that the entire other time? That's been happening the entire time.
Oh, has it?
Okay, what? What the?
The truck is like
Oh,
stuck.
What? What just destroyed the vehicle? What just destroyed the entire vehicle? I don't know. I need to get a different one. Because if you saw the vehicle condition bar, it went all the way down. As, okay, what are they even doing? They're trying to destroy this military truck. Can I pick up a zombie? Like, just pick one up? Can I? I can. Can I yeet it somewhere? It just fell. What? And I can shoot it. What the? That was easy. Hunting rifle. I'm gonna hunt some zombies with this. I think I saw one, but then they just all reset. What the? Wait, why are they all flying in the air? Why are they all flying?
It's a good question.
They landed in the water. Now I think they landed on the sand. What? I shoot them with this rifle. It's a hunting rifle. You see at the bottom of the screen?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see it says
What
hunting
the?
rifle. Oh, did it freeze? Oh,
Oh, there. I think I shot it. I think I put a hole in it. What the? Wait,
oh, it's like you can aim
they fell in the water?
very precisely with the hunting rifle. I
Why
think.
did they fall in the water? Well, I think if they run into... Well, I think they can still destroy that thing. Shoot it. No!
Ah.
What? How come we just fell? Wait. What? Shoot him. Come on. Wait, what?
Uh-oh.
Why
Uh-oh.
are they all over here? Come on, shoot them. Shoot them. I'm levitating again. I need to get in this plane. Because I think if I get in the plane, then I won't be able to levitate. Since I am, like, I have the power to levitate, so I think the zombies can't make me levitate if I'm in a thing that can make me levitate.
Mm-hmm.
But if I'm in the thing that can make me levitate and I can control that the thing makes me levitate, then I can control if I'm levitating or not.
Mm-hmm.
But the zombies can't. What the? What the? Oh, it's this pink stuff again. What happens when I'm like slowed down? What is happening?
Yeah, I think the computer is like chugging. Something's happening in the background that's making it hard for it to compute.
I'm levitating? Why is everything so blurry? I think it's because my health is low. No, they're falling. Yeah, I'm falling. No, go up. Shoot them. Shoot them. Come on.
I
What
think
the?
it seems like the
What are they thinking?
hunting rifle shoots very slowly. I feel like the other shotgun worked much better.
Hey, whoa, what the? It is exploding. Hunting rifle. Go. I don't think I can miss if I'm in that super precise mode.
Oh, I see.
Problem is I can't see any. Whoa, what the? Like I can't see anything.
Uh-huh.
Shoot them. Shoot it. Shoot them. Shoot them all. Wait, what? What the? No, get out of this.
Huh.
What the? This. Shoot them. Eh. Something's burning.
Oh.
Eh. No, they're here. They're all here. They're all over here. Oh. Like something's happening. Shoot them all. Eh. That looks like just the sun. Why does it look like the sun? Wait. Shoot them. What? It's doing nothing. Why can't I shoot them with this? The rifle. I'm using this rifle. Wait. They're running into the shred dozer? Last time I said I was gonna I was gonna roll into the shred dozer, get shredded, and then fly up into space.
Yeah.
That's not how it works.
Oh.
Cast iron. Shoot them. Whoa. This works. Whoa. Is there a setting for this? M. No, there's no setting. H. It's not gonna do anything. What are they even doing over there? They're destroying the truck. Eh. I think I just made myself fly. Wait, what? If I spam this, then I'll... Wait, what? Oh, there. It's reloading. What the? What? How did I not even die from that? No, I'm not even... What? Oh, this. I need to use this to shoot them. It's like a futuristic... Whoa. What the? Shoot them. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
I need to go up. What's my dog doing? No. No. What's that guy doing? Does it do more damage if I go head? There. None of headshots count. What giant target was that? No, I targeted that? I don't want to target a single voxel. Wait, well, what's happening? Doesn't like me turning around. What? Game doesn't like this. Shoot them. And reload. Wait. Oh my god, what the? No. What is happening? Shoot. Shoot. Come on. That's very explosive. Come on, go up. Go up. Go up. They'll reset. Finally. Why did it take so long for them to reset? Where are they? I'm levitating, so they're definitely still here. Where are they? The engines are doing stuff, but where are they? They're probably over there in that military truck. I can see those military trucks are getting destroyed. Oh, they're right there. What? How come that's so destructive? Shoot them. Where? What? What the? I am below the world. I need to fly up there. What? I'm back in that mode again. I'm back in that pink mode. Okay, I need to shoot them all. They dodged. Dodged or something. Okay. I need to go to this forklift over here. No, I need to go to this telehandler over here and try to transform it into a truck. Like a survival trick. Wait, what? I don't want the entire thing to become lopsided. I don't want the entire thing to become lopsided. There. I need to just remove the engine went on, remove everything here. Wait, no, I'm not removing stuff. I'm adding stuff. To add this. No, that's I'm adding stuff to the sand. And add stuff to this, and I think that worked. The engine's turned off. It's like being lifted. I don't know why that's happening. Just keep armoring the entire thing. What the? Why did I look down? Why did that even happen? And you just need to armor this entire thing. I need to not look down again. That just creates a giant box of death. The engine's reset again? Or I guess I keep saying the engines reset. It's more of the zombies are resetting and the engines are going on and off.
Yeah, I don't understand that. We'll have to. I was looking up whether Teardown talks about their engines.
No.
Yeah.
Stop.
Okay. Okay. We're at 37 minutes now. I guess you still haven't escaped yet, so.
Wait until I build this entire truck.
Okay.
The zombies reset again.
Mm-hmm.
That time I didn't say the engines reset. I said the zombies reset.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now I just need to take. Can I metal up? Can I metal this up? Or can I make it so that they can't go in between it? I think I could probably do that. Just make a giant box. That's all I need to make.
Mm-hmm.
Just a giant box. Just gigantic alpharaddic box. I don't even alpharaddic. I made that word up and it makes no sense.
Sounds like a good word.
I used alpharaddic to mean giant.
Mm-hmm.
Pink phase. What? I feel like it's whenever a zombie comes near you, there's a chance that you just become pink.
Uh-huh.
There. I don't think it's an error in the game. I think that's gonna work. Rock, maybe? Is a rock better? No. Is rock better than metal? I don't know. What the? No. What the? They're all over there. I need to drive this thing towards those guys. Hopefully they are humans. Oh gosh. Wait. Where's the boat? Okay. No, they're surrounding it. I think calling the boat immediately worked.
Huh?
It was only 35 minutes.
Okay.
Compared to 30, 38, or maybe even 52.
Yeah.
Some of my videos were that long, although
this time it came in.
calling the boat immediately was better. But I didn't call the boat immediately this time. They're destroying my telehandler.
I like how you bridged between the forks on the telehandler.
So that they couldn't get stuck inside of the telehandler's fork.
Yeah.
And survive.
Got it.
Where are they? I'm just running over a bunch of zombie pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Why are the zombie pieces here?
Oh, there's the humans.
Oh, the humans.
Are they gonna get on the boat?
I mean, it's a defense, but like, why did they put 2 fences here? Like, one of the fences fell over,
I think one of
and
the.
then there's like barbed wire on the fence. What?
I think they were setting up fences, but they never finished. It's like it looks like they started putting up fences.
Okay, so those are definitely people.
Mm-hmm.
No, I know that. I think I can protect them with this. I made this one a lot better than the other one because I could put metal inside of the fork.
Yeah.
So that zombies couldn't go inside the fork and survive.
A very good design.
They're there. They caught up. Wait. The boat's not here yet.
Oh, it's not?
Come on.
Oh.
Well, they reset anyways.
Oh, okay.
But they're only over there? What? Why did they... Well, they have, like, cannons set up.
Uh-huh.
Like, no, like, I think they have, like, people in there that are just shooting all the zombies.
Oh.
I don't think they can last forever here. I think I need the boat.
Uh-huh.
I don't think they can call the boat.
Oh. Can you call the boat?
The boat's coming right now.
It's just coming. Okay.
Actually pause the video until the
Okay.
boat gets here.
Okay. Unpause.
And it looks like the boat's here. Okay, okay, now I need to get these people on it. Okay, the boat's gonna need to wait there. Wait, there's that. Okay, so there's that thing over there. What the? Next video will be a world box video.
Oh.
I did 5 of these teardown videos in a row. Next one is gonna be a world box video.
Uh-huh.
I guess I did 4, but when this is out, it'll be 5. This is my 5th one, I think. Also, I hear something that Caden is playing.
Huh?
I think it's Elmo.
Yeah.
You know, if any of you know, if any of you know who Elmo is, he's basically a red potato monster. I don't know, it's shape the shape of him looks like a potato.
It's a good description, yeah.
He's actually like a puppet.
Yeah.
And he looks like a potato. Like his shape is a potato. He's red though. Not brown like a potato. Why won't the truck drive? Oh, there. Wait, he's breaking the metal? How?
Broke a little piece of metal off. Yeah. Oh, a reset.
Wait, how are you over here? Wait, what? How do I do this now? They're literally right there. They're moving to the side. If the engines keep doing this, they will move out of the way. Hopefully. They're just gonna move.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if I blow another one of those hedgehogs toward this vehicle,
Mm-hmm.
then I'll need to get out of the vehicle, I think, pick it up, and then throw it away.
Mm-hmm.
And then get back in the vehicle and go to the humans and put them on the boat.
Okay.
Actually, I think you need to pause again.
Okay.
So that no, not now.
Not yet. Okay. Let me know when.
When you're at the boat.
Okay.
Whoa. What are they even doing over there?
When you reach the boat. Okay.
They're just walking on. Wait, no, they're walking over here. Since. Oh wait, no, I think I'm gonna get stuck. No, I didn't. Where are they? No, that fell. I am driving over zombie pieces, and they're kind of like obstacles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Actually, pause.
Pause.
and I transported all of the 5 people onto the boat. What's
Excellent.
happening?
Is that the end of the video?
Yes?
Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this.
No, just
In case you want it later. I can grab this, and this could be a thumbnail if you want.
did you stop recording?
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I didn't yet.